So I chose the University of Limerick for two main reasons. The course that I'm doing, the Masters in Peace and Development, and I think the university had quite a balanced program. When I looked at the course outline, I was quite excited with the topics that were being covered and how we were going to sort of approach them. And then the second part was I love studying outside of the city, so I definitely wanted to be somewhere that is quiet and has beautiful scenery, so that's why I chose UL. So one of the things that actually surprised me about the program was just how diverse it is. We are a class of about 20 and we only have, I think, 2 Irish students that are doing the program. And instead of maybe just experiencing the Irish culture, I felt like I was learning quite a lot about other cultures. Also the lecturers, wow. I think one, I was surprised by the level of experience that the lecturers have, both in terms of just academic work, but also in terms of field work. Uma ufuna ukuthi uzofunda eNyuvesi yase Limerick, ngingathi kumele uze ngoba uzokhula, uzoba ilunga lomphakathi. Uma ufunda lana uthola abantu abaningi ongajwayele ukuba nabo, kodwa uzokwazi ukuthi uxhumane nabo. So definitely come to Limerick.